Hello, my name is Ashlyn, and I'm here today to talk to you about Club Sparkle, the Feel Great company. Club Sparkle is a lifestyle company that specializes in wellness and beauty products. We're very successful in Japan, and now we're making our way into America. I wanted to take some time today to talk about Halo, our revolutionary beauty activator. If you're like me, you're interested in taking preventative measures in your beauty and health routine, which is why I love using Halo. Halo is a beauty device that is used to lift, tone, firm, and sculpt the face for a rested, youthful appearance. Halo helps you smooth fine lines and wrinkles, minimize dark circles, and decongest puffiness around your eyes and face. Halo is different than other products on the market because it makes use of microcurrent and biomimetic technology. This technology imitates the brain photon wave energy to secrete coenzymes. Coenzymes help provide energy to your cells and have antioxidant benefits. So, Halo is not just any beauty device, it's a beauty device with health benefits, especially with its use on pressure points. As you can see, Halo is so convenient in the size of a pen, which makes it easy to travel with and use multiple times throughout the day. It is battery operated. The battery chamber is right here. Simply press on the power button and the device turns on. Then choose between 3 speed settings: low, medium, or high, depending on your desired intensity. Note that it won't turn on until your fingers are placed directly on the metal sides. Halo also boosts nutrient absorption to the cellular level, especially when used in conjunction with shine on the face. As you use Halo, you can feel the electro current penetrating your skin. The micropulse massage is what contributes to a facial rejuvenation. Say hello to a brighter, more youthful complexion. I like to use the tool to stimulate the various pressure points on my face. Do this twice a day, 4 times a week, and enjoy a noticeable difference in the appearance of your skin. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below.